In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and optimize a Kanban workflow in Jira Cloud. If your board feels cluttered, confusing, or overloaded with too many tasks happening at once, then you are not really getting the full benefit of Kanban. A strong Kanban setup should help your team see work clearly, reduce multitasking, spot bottlenecks early, and keep delivery moving smoothly. In this walkthrough, we are going to log into Jira Cloud, create a clean Kanban project, configure work in progress limits, add tasks to the backlog, move cards through the workflow, use quick filters, and finish with a simple board review. Start by opening your preferred web browser and going to your Atlassian Cloud site, or the Atlassian sign-in page if needed. After you log in and your main dashboard loads, open the software project you want to work in. This gives you access to the workspace where your board and project settings live. If you are starting from scratch, open the project creation menu and choose the Kanban software template. Then select a team-managed project for a simpler, self-contained setup. Enter a project name and click Create. Jira will generate a board with standard columns like To Do, In Progress, and Done, giving you a solid starting structure right away. Next, open the board settings using the menu in the upper right area of the board. Go to Columns or the Work in Progress limit settings if that option appears directly. For an active working column, such as In Progress or Code Review, set a maximum limit. For example, 3. This is one of the most important parts of Kanban because it helps prevent too much work from piling up at the same time. If the limit is exceeded, Jira will highlight it visually so the team can respond quickly. Now open the backlog from the left sidebar or enable the Kanban backlog if needed. In the Quick Create row, type a short, clear issue summary and press Enter. This adds new work into your queue in a clean and organized way, instead of relying on scattered notes or chat messages. Return to the main Kanban board. When someone begins work on a task, click and hold the card, then drag it into the In Progress column. This simple movement updates the board immediately and helps everyone see the current status without extra manual reporting. Above the board, use quick filters to narrow what you see. You can select a personal filter such as Only My Issues to focus on a specific set of tasks during stand-ups, triage, or review sessions. Before you finish, take a moment to review the board. Make sure the project details display correctly, priorities are easy to read, work in progress warnings are visible, and the layout is clear from column to column. Once that looks good, your Kanban board is ready to support a smoother, more controlled workflow. That is all. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.